The streets are buzzing, neon signs are glowing, and thousands of scooters are weaving through the night. Tonight, we're in Hanoi, Vietnam's vibrant capital, where the city seems to gain even more energy after sunset. And if you enjoy experiencing the world's most fascinating destinations through immersive walking tours like this one, make sure you're subscribed to Tripinn so you never miss the next adventure. For this walk, we'll be exploring Hanoi's famous Old Quarter, one of the most fascinating neighborhoods in Southeast Asia. From lively street food corners and hidden alleyways to colorful lanterns and endless local life, there's always something happening here. Stay with us because some of the most interesting moments often appear when you least expect them during a walk through Hanoi's streets. Before we begin, here's something fact many visitors don't know. The streets of Hanoi's Old Quarter were traditionally named after the products sold there. There were streets for silk, silver, paper, bamboo, medicine, and dozens of other trades. Even today, some of those traditions still survive. One of the first things people notice about Hanoi is the traffic. At first glance, it looks completely chaotic. Scooters seem to come from every direction at once. But spend a little time here and you realize there's actually a rhythm to it. Somehow, thousands of people move through these streets every day with surprising efficiency. For first-time visitors, crossing the road can feel like an adventure of its own. The Old Quarter has been the commercial heart of Hanoi for centuries. Merchants, craftsmen, and traders built their lives here long before modern shopping centers existed. As we walk through this narrow streets, it's easy to see why this neighborhood remains one of the most beloved parts of the city. If you've ever wondered why Hanoi is considered one of Asia's great food cities, the answer is all around us. Tiny restaurants spill onto sidewalks, vendors prepare meals right in front of customers, and recipes passed down through generations continue to thrive. Famous local dishes like pho, bun cha, banh mi, and bun ria can be found throughout the city, often served from small family-run stalls. Some travelers arrive in Hanoi for the landmarks and leave remembering the food even more. After all, few experiences capture the spirit of Hanoi better than enjoying a freshly prepared meal while watching the city's endless stream of life pass by. By the way, don't miss what's coming up next. One of the most surprising places on this list is still ahead. Before we get there, tell us in the comments which destination has impressed you the most so far. And if you're enjoying the video, leave a like. Now, let's continue the adventure. We're now approaching Hanoi's famous Train Street. What looks like a narrow alley filled with cafés and homes is actually an active railway line where trains pass just feet from daily life. When a train approaches, tables and chairs are quickly moved aside, and moments later, everything returns to normal as if nothing happened. As the evening continues, the atmosphere changes again. The lights become brighter, the cafes become busier, and conversations spill out onto the sidewalks. Unlike some cities that quiet down after sunset, Hanoi seems to gain a second wave of energy. One of the joys of exploring the Old Quarter is discovering small alleyways tucked between larger streets. Some lead to hidden cafes, others reveal quiet residential corners completely different from the bustling main roads. You never quite know what you'll find around the next turn. As our walk through Hanoi's Old Quarter comes to an end, the streets remain just as lively as when we arrived. The lights continue glowing, scooters continue flowing, and life carries on around every corner. If you enjoyed exploring Hanoi with us, subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Until then, thank you for joining us on this journey through one of Southeast Asia's most fascinating neighborhoods.